Hello students, in this semester I am going to teach you pharmacy practice syllabus. So in today's lecture, let's see the topic hospital pharmacy and its organization. Upon completion of topic, you shall be able to define hospital pharmacy, know the functions of hospital pharmacy and appreciate organization structure of hospital pharmacy. Now first, definition of hospital pharmacy. The Department of Pharmacy deals with procurement, storage, compounding, dispensing, manufacturing, testing, packaging and distribution of drugs. It may be defined as the practice of pharmacy within the hospital under the supervision of a professional pharmacist is known as hospital pharmacy. Now, types of pharmacy. There are two types of pharmacy. First is community pharmacy and second is hospital pharmacy. Now, community pharmacy means any place under the direct supervision of a pharmacist where the practice of pharmacy occurs or where prescription orders are compounded and dispensed other than a hospital pharmacy or a limited service pharmacy. Now, hospital pharmacy is the organization or department of hospital to manage the procurement, storage, preservation, packaging, compounding, preparation, dispensing or distribution of medicine in the hospital. There are some objectives of hospital pharmacy. These are cost containment, effective and efficient service, patient satisfaction, and effective staff utilization. Let us see functions of hospital pharmacy. There are number of functions of hospital pharmacy. These are forecast of demand, selection of reliable suppliers, determining specification of the required medicament, manufacturing of sterile or non-sterile preparations, maintenance of manufacturing records, then quality control of purchased or manufactured products, distribution of medicaments in the wards, dispensing of medicaments to outpatients, drug information source in hospitals, Center of Drug Utilization Studies, then implement recommendations of the pharmacy and therapeutic committee, patient counseling, then maintaining relationship or communication between medical, nursing and the patient, proper storing of drugs, then filling and labeling of all drug containers from which medicines are to be administered. Then providing cooperation in teaching and research programs, discarding the expired drugs and container warnings and missing labels to ensure the availability of right medication at right time in the right dose at the minimum possible cost. Also to act as a counseling department for medical staff, nurses and in a hospital. And last one is to participate in research projects also. Okay, these are the functions of hospital pharmacy. Now, what is the organization structure of this hospital pharmacy? Let us see which points are included in this organization structure. The first one is organizational structure refers to the different departments and formal structure among these departments, activities and authority, role and relationships. An organization structure specifies the various job tasks and shows how them same are formally divided, grouped and coordinated. It provides an appropriate framework for authority and reporting relationship. Organization structure helps to arrange resources in the most efficient and effective way. Also, to ensure effective coordination of the organization's activities and clarify the decision making processes. Now, organizational framework includes a president or CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer, which runs the hospital and reports to a board of directors. Vice presidents preside over various departments, and hospital committee structure involves pharmacy and therapeutic committee, that is P&T committee, institutional review board means IRB, and infection control committee. Now this is one organization structure. Then you can see first is administrator, then head of pharmacy services, then dispensing chemist, it may be D-Pharm, which works for inpatient and outpatient. Then clinical pharmacist, qualification is B-Pharm, quality control pharmacist, M-Pharm, medical stores pharmacist, it may be B-Pharm or D-Pharm, manufacturing chemist, M-Pharm, that is manufacturing of IV fluids and other manufacturing services. Okay, this is one organizational structure. Now this structure is depend on that particular hospital. Now one of these organization structure is again, second one is board of directors, administration. Now this administration followed by again 4 services. In that first one is informational services, second one therapeutic services, third one diagnostic services, and last one is support units. Now there are different functions of these departments or services. Now for first one, informational services, admissions, billing and collections, health education, medical records, information systems, and human resources. For pharmaceutical services, it involves surgery unit, intensive care unit, maternity unit, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech or language, pathology, respiratory therapy, medical psychology, social service, pharmacy, dietary, sports medicine, nursing. Now for diagnostic services, it includes the number of functions like medical laboratory, imaging, emergency medicine, cardiology, and neurology. And last one is support units. It includes central supply, biomedical technology, housekeeping maintenance, and transportation. Now let us see one by one again what is the meaning of these all services, or which are the responsibilities of these all administrative persons. Now first one is responsibilities of board of directors. At the hospital level itself, a dean or director or medical officer is the controlling authority. Now business people who run the hospital may be the board of directors. The director of hospital pharmacy has one of the most complex jobs in the hospital, like planning, communicating, networking, writing, listening, leading, and motivating. Now, administration. The dean, director, executive director, chairperson are individuals or groups of people who control the system of hospital, means the administration. He implements the government policies. Also responsible for the entire institution services and economy. Also coordinates the works of various section heads of the hospital. It forms various committees for various functions. Provides facilities, safety, care by doing everything to patient. And this administration also responsible for technological development and clinical activities. Now in that first one, informational services. Now the primary goal of information service is to improve care by providing unbiased information of drug related questions, which may be written or oral information about drugs and pharmacotherapy. It also involves the following duties, that is hospital admission and discharge system, billing and collection, health education, medical record, that is maintenance of medical records, then information systems. Now information system means whole information is collected in computer software. Now there are number of computer software databases are available to provide this information of drugs. And last one is human resources. Now second one, that is therapeutic services. These are the care which is directly related to patient treatment. So these services involves surgery unit, intensive care unit, maternity unit, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech or language therapy, pathology, respiratory therapy, medical psychology, social services, pharmacy, dietary, and sports medicine and nursing. Now third one is diagnostic services. Now diagnostic means it includes the clinical services of pathology and laboratory medicine and therapy, means medical laboratory, imaging, emergency medicine, cardiology and neurology. And last service, that is unit, is support units. Now support services in hospital are the services which are not directly related to patient care but indirectly contribute in patient management. So this unit involves the activities like central supply, biomedical technology, housekeeping maintenance and transporting. Okay, means in this topic we learn about the definition of hospital pharmacy, functions of hospital pharmacy and overall organization structure of hospital pharmacy.